Hi everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this dried floral boutonnière at home. Dried boutonnieres are super on trend, last forever, and their neutral color palette looks great on any suit color. If you missed my last video on how to make a fun arrangement at home, I'll leave a link in the description for you so you can easily check that out too. Today you're going to need some twine, floral tape, pearl pins, a hot glue gun, and of course our dried florals. Since our flowers are dried, processing isn't necessary, so we can jump right in. But first, here's a quick look at each of these beauties. The whole process is a lot easier if you prep your tape first. I even like to split my tape in half. Next, you want to start with your focal points and largest items. Tape it in place. Now I felt it needed something airy. Always taping as you go so you don't have to hold everything in place. And keep trimming the stems so you have a clean base. Next, I added some bunny tails to fill out my design. Added these guys for some texture. And finally, some pampas grass to give it some softness. Next, you want to cover your entire base of stems with floral tape and give it a clean cut. Put a small dot of hot glue on the back of your base and attach the twine. The goal is to cover all the green tape with twine to keep the neutral look consistent. Be sure to remove any evidence of hot glue. And finally, add your pearl pins to complete the look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming how-to flower videos just like this one. And check out my Instagram to see more of my work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.